9 simple phrases men love to hear. Picture this: you're in a relationship. Everything looks okay from the outside, but it seems as if your partner is not as involved or invested in this process as you are. Maybe it's simply because of what you say or don't. Communication is directly related to the emotional bond in a relationship. Research shows that a few chosen words can light a fire and bolster confidence in your connection. Welcome back to Psychology Wisdom. Today, we're diving into an incredible topic: 9 simple phrases men love to hear. These aren't just random words. They're backed by psychology and can create deeper emotional connections with your partner. From making him feel appreciated to strengthening the bond you share, this video has it all. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, comment, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support helps this video reach more people who want to improve their relationships. Also, stick around because there's something very special waiting for you at the end, a bonus tip that will take your communication to the next level. Here's a question for you. What's the one phrase you've said to someone that truly made them feel loved or appreciated? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Number 1. I appreciate you. One of the most common complaints from men in relationships is feeling unappreciated. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships revealed that 62% of men value verbal affirmation of their contributions in a partnership. Think about it. How often do you acknowledge the little things your partner does? Maybe he fixes something around the house, plans a date, or simply listens when you need to vent. If these gestures go unnoticed, over time, he might feel taken for granted. The fix is simple. Saying, "I appreciate you," can make a world of difference. It's a short phrase but shows that you see his efforts. Whether it's a heartfelt thank you for cooking dinner or acknowledging his hard work at his job, this phrase reinforces his sense of value in the relationship. A Reddit user once shared how his relationship turned around when his wife started expressing more appreciation. "I didn't realize how much I craved that until she said it," he wrote. "Now I make an effort to do even more for her because I feel seen." Number 2. You make me feel safe. Men are often conditioned to be protectors and providers, a role society has placed on them for centuries. While times are changing, this expectation still holds weight. If a man feels like he's failing to fulfill this role, it can hurt his confidence and sense of purpose. Without acknowledgement of his efforts, he might second-guess his ability to support and protect. Telling your partner, "You make me feel safe," validates his role in the relationship. This isn't just about physical safety, it's emotional safety too. You're letting him know that his presence, decisions, and support make you feel secure. Therapists often hear male clients say, "I just want to know I'm doing enough." A simple phrase like this can eliminate that doubt and deepen trust. Number 3. I'm proud of you. Men want to feel accomplished, not just for themselves, but also in the eyes of their loved ones. Unfortunately, many men grow up in environments where praise is limited. This lack of affirmation can create a void, and if a partner doesn't fill it, he might seek validation elsewhere, whether through work, hobbies, or even other relationships. Saying, "I'm proud of you," is a direct way to celebrate his achievements. Whether he's landed a promotion, hit a personal fitness goal, or simply handled a tough situation well, your pride means more to him than you might think. A survey by Pew Research found that men ranked feeling respected as one of their top relationship needs. When you tell them you're proud, you're actively meeting that need. Number 4, I trust you. Trust is foundational in any relationship, but is also a common area of insecurity for men. According to a study in Psychology Today, 54% of men admitted worrying about not being trustworthy enough in their partner's eyes. This fear often stems from past experiences or societal pressures to be perfect. If he feels like you doubt his decisions or capabilities, it can create unnecessary tension. The phrase, "I trust you," goes a long way in easing these concerns. Whether it's about small decisions like picking a restaurant or bigger life choices like finances, expressing trust empowers him and strengthens the bond between you. A couple featured in the book, The 7 Principles for Making Marriage Work, highlighted how saying "I trust you" during tough times helped them navigate challenges more effectively. The husband said, "It made me feel like I had someone in my corner no matter what." Number 5. You look great. Contrary to popular belief, men care about their appearance too, yet they rarely receive compliments about how they look. This lack of acknowledgement can make him feel invisible. If the only time he hears about his appearance is when something's wrong, like a messy shirt, it can chip away at his self-esteem. Flip the script by saying, "You look great." Whether he's in a suit for a formal event or rocking casual wear at home, this phrase makes him feel noticed and appreciated. In a 2020 online forum, men discussed how much they love being complimented on their looks. One user wrote, "It's rare, but when my partner says it, I feel like $1,000,000. Number 6. I'm lucky to have you. Everyone wants to feel special in their relationship, and men are no exception. However, studies show that men often feel overlooked when it comes to expressions of gratitude. If he doesn't feel like a priority or believe he's making a difference in your life, it can lead to emotional distance. Telling him, "I'm lucky to have you," is a simple way to remind him of his unique place in your life. This phrase conveys gratitude, admiration, and love all in one. A relationship survey by eHarmony revealed that partners who frequently express gratitude are 47% more likely to report high levels of satisfaction in their relationship. Number 7. I believe in you. Self-doubt is a silent struggle for many men. They might not always voice it, but they often look to their partners for encouragement. Without support, these doubts can spiral, affecting his performance at work, his hobbies, or even his role in the relationship. Saying, "I believe in you," provides reassurance during challenging times. Whether he's chasing a dream, navigating a tough job, or trying something new, your belief can be the push he needs to succeed. A motivational speaker once shared how his wife's consistent encouragement helped him persevere during his early career struggles. He said, "Those 4 words, 'I believe in you,' were more powerful than any motivational book I've read." Number 8. Thank you for everything you do. In relationships, it's easy to take routines for granted. Men often handle tasks big and small without expecting recognition. Over time, the lack of acknowledgement can lead to resentment or burnout. He might think, "Does she even notice what I do?" A simple "thank you for everything you do" can counteract this feeling. Whether it's for his hard work at the office, his support during tough times, or even mundane chores, gratitude keeps the relationship balanced and harmonious. A study by the University of Georgia found that expressing gratitude in a relationship increases commitment and reduces conflicts, especially among long-term couples. Number 9. I love spending time with you. Quality time is one of the most significant love languages, but men often worry if their presence alone is enough. If he feels like you're only spending time with him out of obligation, it can create a disconnect. He might start to question whether you genuinely enjoy his company. Telling him, "I love spending time with you," reassures him that he's more than just a partner. He's also your favorite companion. Whether you're on a date or simply lounging on the couch, this phrase strengthens the emotional connection. Relationship expert Dr. John Gottman emphasizes that couples who express enjoyment of each other's company are more likely to weather conflicts and grow closer over time. There, you have it. 9 simple but powerful phrases that can save and strengthen your relationship. Remember, these phrases aren't just words. They're tools to build trust, show respect, and deepen your connection. Let's quickly recap. 1. I appreciate you. 2. You make me feel safe. 3. I'm proud of you. 4. I trust you. 5. You look great. 6. I'm lucky to have you. 7. I believe in you. 8. Thank you for everything you do. 9. I love spending time with you. And here's the bonus tip. Don't just say these phrases. Match them with actions. Actions amplify the power of your words and make them even more meaningful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear these words, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on love and relationships. Lastly, let me know in the comments, which of these phrases will you start using today? Or is there another phrase that has worked wonders for your relationship? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.